Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on cell phones, distraction hazard. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. In today's working world, cell phones have become a part of daily life. Most employees would not think that their cell phone is a hazard while at work. However, cell phones are a hazard to employees in a variety of work settings due to them becoming a distraction. When employees become distracted, their focus shifts from the assigned task to their phone, which puts themselves in danger when working around vehicles or machinery. This lesson will focus on what cell phone hazards in the workplace are, cell phone policies, and some do's and don'ts for cell phone use at work. Now that you know what should be done with cell phones at work, it is important to note that employees should not do the following. Answer the phone or respond to text during working hours when it is not permitted. Talk or text while operating a forklift or other type of vehicle. Talk or text while operating a machine. Talk or text while attending a meeting. Walk while texting. If you need to respond because it is business related, stop walking and respond. Send personal messages on business cell phones. Use offensive language while talking on the phone. Take too long on the phone. Take photos with your cell phone camera of the work area unless permitted to do so by company policy. Check or update social media. Play games while on your cell phone.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.